Look at how cute.
I got your foot. I got your foot. Hey, I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him.
Kind of back off and let her kind of prance at you a little bit.
It's cute.
She's like, never mind, I surrender. She's like, oh. Do your hands again on the floor so she'll come back over there.
She's giving a mean bug eyes.
What about this guy? Whoa! Oh, she's gonna get you too! Go get him! She said, oh, never mind! Get him! They're gonna attack your feet, so don't kick them. Get him! Get him, babies! Oh! Oh! Go get him!
I'm getting this one.
Go get him!
One's climb up on me.
She said she's not afraid of you. Oh, she's like, ah, forget it. You're scaring her. What's the boy over there doing? What are you doing over there? He's sniffing around for
He's a
something to
little
eat.
chubby cat, too.
No.
He looks like Chubby Chase.
How about her? There she is. Kitty, 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 kitty.
You can tell Andrew.
Oh, you scared him. Get him, buddy. Get him. Bite his face off. Don't get him. Don't be so rough with him.
Sorry.
He's a happy boy. There he is. Whoop, there he goes. Oh, he's coming up my back. Oh, leave them alone for a minute. I think they're play fighting. Oh, vicious. Oh, little girl versus big girl. The big one's just like, oh yeah? Whoop! Oh, she's getting squirrely. She said, I'm not afraid of you. Where'd the boy go? Oh, he's over there. Where's the baby? Oh, these two are going crazy. Oh, the big one won't get down.
Look at the boy.
The boy's climbing on you? Oh, yep. He's climbing the mountain. There he is.